Hi friends, today I'm showing you the EMS intelligent pulse meter and the pulse massager, and you can see it here that all the specification and things are written on the back of this package. This is pretty normal hazards and the voltage it is there, all the signs which this thing can do, but the main thing is like maybe in the manual that you can see. So let me open this box and show you all the contents so that you can see what's inside. It says like a stickable patches on the back with this small tiny vibrators and the pulsators. So there is the manual along with this pack. So they are in the different language. The first one is English, so you can just read it to know. I will explain it a later on. So these are the other things. So these are, I think, the sticky patches, charging cable. So you can see there is one USB which goes into the charging port, and there are 3 micro USB attached to it so that it can charge these 3 pulsators. So these are the things like the electrodes which fits into. This is the small tiny machines, and let me first show you how to charge them. So this is the micro USB that goes in each of the pulsator. Now you can show like all these are the similar ones, and then goes with the micro USB. They claim that it tightens the shoulder, waist, back, arm, leg and abdominal muscles. They improve muscle paralysis, comfortable massage for body and improve your health. So these are the effects they say you can use with this one. So here is how, like I'm putting this USB now, and you can see the red light is on, so they are charging. These all 3 pulsators are same function, same everything. So I can show you one to be more specific on those. And these are the electrodes, and let me just open this pack. So you can see these electrodes like have 2 small electrodes connection that goes in the back of this pulsator. So it is like a tick button sort of thing, so you can just push it inside and they will just attach to it. So once attached, then you can see like the feel it, and so there is a plus, minus and M button. So the plus button will actually activate or wake up the pulsator. So when you press the plus button, your pulsate is open, and then you press the M button. There is a different functions that says like the shoulder, forearm, upper arm, and this is the back of this the abdomen and the waist. So there are total 6 one, and those 6 have their own place. Like usually it mention like the name in here, like which position you are putting it, but is like the upper indicator lights on white and the beat. So it's like a different pulsator thing that you can use in the different part of your machine, and with the minus sign you can actually increase the intensity of this pulsator, so from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So, like with the plus sign you can increase the pulsator thing, with the minus sign you can lower or off it. So let me show you once, like, because if I put it on my arm, I'm not able to show it through my camera. I'm just trying to put it on my wrist and show you. It's not like for the wrist, I'm just trying to show you if I can see the vibration, or I can show you the effect of this pulsator on the body. Yeah, somehow I can feel it, but I'm not able to show it on the video with the one. Let me put it on some other part and show you how it feels, and the power of this pulsator. Yeah, from here I'm not able to show, but I can feel the strong vibration or the pulses from this pulsator. let me put it on my forearm, and then I will try to show you if I can see it much better on camera. So here I put it on my forearm, and you see like I press the plus button to on it, then one more plus to make it 1, and then the M button to select the mode. And if you see it here, you can clearly see now how the pulsator is working and my arm is actually moving. This is the strong pulsator. Even at the strength of 1 you can feel it. Hopefully you can see it on camera now, that this is actually pulsating my biceps thing right now, and the whole effect you can see like my whole arm is moving along with this pulsator. So this is actually very powerful. And now I will show that it comes with 2 of these arm thing, like this 2 arm electrodes and 1 abdomen one. So the abdomen have like the 6th thing, and the good thing is like these patches. You see the gel patches which I just removed the plastic from, and which can stick to your body, that you can replace because the consumable one. This package actually comes with the extra ones that I will show you later on, that you can replace. So let me show you the abdomen one. I'm just taking it out of the charge, putting this stick button electrodes into the pulsator. So now I just on it with the plus button and setting it. With the M button I can just search on the abdomen. So this is like the forearm right now. Upper arm, back, abdomen. So let me set it on abdomen and then put the plus to 1 and 2. So you can adjust. With the minus you can lower it, with the plus you can increase the intensity. So let me put it back, upper, back, abdomen, and the waist. But let me see if I can put it and show you. But here I'll just show you like the extra gel thing that comes along with this package. So these are the extra pads that you can replace when it's not stick on your body, and you can clean it like with a damp cloth, but not them. So this is how it works on abdomen. You can see the instantly, but you cannot see the one.